This is a quick and easy way for you to cut your high top dreads without having to worry about fading, without having to worry about going through a whole bunch of guards. You're not using a whole bunch of guards with this. You're only using one guard, the one guard actually, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, so stay tuned. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Guys, before we get all the way into this video, I need you to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button down there in the bell next to it. That way you stay notified on any video that I post every Tuesday, every week, every Tuesday. So smash that like button and I'll see you on the other side. Let's just say it like this. If you're a beginner in getting dreads, high top dreads specifically, and you're a beginner with cutting your hair and you don't want to go through all the phases like learning how to fade and doing all that stuff like that, no worries, I got you. I'm going to show you how to cut your sides using only one guard, and it being the one guard. You need one guard for the haircut, and then you need your hair holders for your dreads. That way you don't snag any dreads and you can get them all out of your way, out of your face. That way you have a nice, crispy, clean haircut and you'll be straight from here on out. You'll have gained a new skill and be able to maintain your haircut and keep your hair looking nice and neat no matter what your dread condition is. If you need a retwist or if you got a retwist and you just want your sides to look clean like your retwist, hey, this is gonna work perfectly for you. Easy, easy, easy step. All you need is the one guard. So let's get into it and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay guys, first thing we're gonna start with is brushing our hair. You have to brush your hair all the way around. Any parts that you're gonna be shaving or fading, you gotta make sure that hair is laid down to make for the perfect shave or fade. And just like I said before, this is a one guard haircut. All you need is the one guard or the guard that fits your hair thickness. Mine is the one guard since it's at a one length right now, maybe a little bit over a one length, like a 1.5. So I use the one guard to shave around all my hair. And that's all you need. And make sure that the lever is open. You want to start with the lever open to ensure that you don't go too far with the thickness of your hair. You know, if you want it to be a little shorter, if you don't like the way the one guard looks, you can kind of close the guard a little bit, close the lever a little bit, and that'll work as well. And yeah guys, I know you see the hair holders I have in my head. Like I said, that's all you need to do. You don't need to use all of them. Just use enough to go around your head in a crown like motion and push all your dreads up and out of the way, out of your face and off the sides of your head. That way you can ensure that you do not snag any of your dreads. But that's how you use them. And yeah guys, you'll see in a minute as I'm fading, or should I say shaving, as I'm shaving all my hair up, I will go back over my head with a brush to lay down all the hair that I may have missed. You can't go wrong with going over your hair maybe twice or even 3 times. That way you don't have any dark spots left on your head. And see, now I'm brushing everything down and I'm gonna go back over it. And you see the dark spots at the top, you wanna try to get as close as you can to the dreads without, snagging your dreads. You wanna try to clean up that dark area where your dreads meet the shaved part of your head. And you see I'm pushing the hair holders up and I'm using my brush to brush it down and then go back over it with the one guard to try to lighten up that dark area. But this is not a thing that you have to do that's necessary. It's just if you don't like the dark spot right there, but trust me, whenever you let down your hair, you won't be able to tell at all. You won't be able to notice it. Well guys, that is the cut. Tell me what you think. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about the haircut. And like I said guys, this is a easy, very simple way. If you are a beginner with cutting hair and you have dreads like me, the high top style, all you need to do is just take your time, use the one guard, lever open, and just shave your head all around the sides even. Make sure you brush in between. That way you get all your hair laying down and you'll get all that hair up with that one guard. And the rest is easy. It's 1, 2, 3. I mean, simple things to do. If you don't have an appointment with your barber or your barber is booked, this is something easy that you can do. You don't have to worry about fading. Like I said, all you need to do is just have that one guard on. You cannot go wrong with that one guard on, and that rhymes. You can pick up these hair holders from Amazon. I got mine from Amazon. I can't remember exactly what the quantity amount is, but hey, you don't need to use all of them anyway. All you have to do is just do like I did and push your hair up. They're Velcro style, so all you have to do is just press them up against your hair and lift them up. That way your hair is out of your face, it's off the sides. That way you don't have to worry about snagging your hair. And you good, man. Like, this is simple. But like I said guys, if you want to learn how to cut your hair, hey, you've come to the right place. Let it marinate. We're gonna be doing haircut tutorials. We're gonna be doing life advice, all things dreads, you know what I mean? So you come to the right place. Hit that like button and subscribe to your boy. This is easy. You see how it turned out? It looked real nice, real clean, you know what I mean? I know my hair's sticking out on the sides, but that came from these straps right here. These straps do you like that, but it's nothing that a do-rag can't fix. Throw that do-rag on and you good. Wait maybe 30 minutes to an hour, and all your hair should be laid back down like it was before. So hey, comment down below. Tell me how you like this cut. If you have any questions when it pertains to dreads or haircuts, anything like that, I'm here to help you guys. So smash that like button. Let's get this family growing and let's get these dreads growing. It takes patience. We all know that, like I've said in my other videos, but together we're gonna get through this. But anyway guys, it's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity. Don't forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.